Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the zipper closely. Look for bent teeth, a loose slider, or fabric trapped in the track. Once you see the issue, remove obstruction with tweezers and gently test the slider with your finger. Do not force it. If the slider is loose, pinch it a hair with pliers to tighten. If it's off track, line both rows of teeth and guide the slider on gently. Make sure to have replacement sliders ready in case tightening fails. You now focus on the slider. Align the teeth perfectly and insert the slider squarely. If you start from the bottom, ensure the stop is removed temporarily. Once the slider is on, apply small, even pressure with pliers to the back wings to restore grip. Do this gradually so you don't crush the slider. After crimping, apply a tiny amount of lubricant like graphite or bar soap to smooth movement. Then, zip slowly several times to seat the teeth and confirm alignment. You finish by replacing any stops you removed. Pinch on a new metal stop or stitch a sturdy fabric stop with a few tight stitches. Once done, test the zipper under gentle load, pull fabric taut and zip. Make sure teeth engage fully. If teeth are damaged or missing, shorten the zipper and add a new stop or install a zipper panel. If the slider still skips, swap to a compatible slider size or replace the entire zipper. That is the reliable final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.